Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about horticulture. The discussion will go through following points. Introduction of horticulture, branches of horticulture, that is pomology, olericulture, floriculture, landscape gardening, and finally, importance of horticulture. Introduction of horticulture. The word horticulture is derived from two Latin words via hortus means garden and culture means knowledge of growing these plants. For the three important basic needs via food, shelter and clothing, man requires cultivation of different plants. Agriculture is the branch of botany deals with the cultivation of plants, and the various branches of agriculture deals with the different methods of cultivation of different plants essential to satisfy the day-to-day needs of man. So the definitions of horticulture are: first, horticulture is a branch of agriculture that deals with certain features involving utilization of fruits, vegetables, flowers and other plants. Second, horticulture is the art, science and practice of growing and maintaining types of plants in different environmental conditions. It involves the propagation, cultivation and processing of fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, ornamental plants and flowers. Branches of horticulture. Nowadays, horticulture is considered as the science and technology like other sciences, and it is fast developing, its development taking place in the form of different specialized branches. Each branch deals with the production, processing and marketing of only one type and group of horticultural products. The important branches of horticulture, which are as follows: pomology, olericulture, floriculture, landscape gardening, post-harvest technology and preservation. Let us discuss each branch one by one in detail. First, pomology. Pomology, or it is also known as fruit culture. This is the branch of agriculture deals with the study of cultivation, production and management of different types of fruits like mango, banana, grapes, etc. Pomology is mainly useful for the development of desirable characters such as proper coloring, reasonable size, good shape, good texture, juiciness, good flavor and taste, seedless and high yield in the commercially important fruits. The knowledge of pomology helpful the people to establish fruit product based industries. Second branch, olericulture. Olericulture, or it is also known as vegetable culture. This is the branch of horticulture deals with the study of cultivation and production of vegetables like potato, onion, cabbage, tomato, fenugreek, etc. Due to this special branch, it is possible to evolve different varieties of vegetables with improved qualities like high nutritive value, diseases and pest resistant, high yield, non-perishable, uniform color, shape, texture and taste. Vegetables are nutritive food of plant origin, which are normally cooked before consumption or eaten raw as a salad. Third branch, floriculture. This is the branch of horticulture deals with the study of cultivation and production of ornamental plants such as flower producing plants and foliage plants like rose, chrysanthemum, crinum, tuberose, etc. The use of flowers for bouquet, garlands and for decorating conference hall, houses, palaces, hotels, etc. The uses of some flowers are for extraction of scent, perfumes. Thus, it is of great potential for floriculture to develop a full-fledged industry. Fourth branch is landscape gardening. Landscape gardening is the branch of horticulture deals with the study of plant materials essential to landscape development and landscape architecture. Knowledge of landscape gardening is useful to increase the beauty of places like home grounds, city and rural parks, school grounds, municipal estates, factories, institutions, etc. Fifth branch is post-harvest technology and preservation. This is the branch of horticulture deals with the study of post-harvest handling, marketing and processing of horticultural crops like fruits, vegetables, flowers. For example, production of jam, jellies, pickles, juices, etc. Due to development of this branch, horticulture get industrial importance. Due to preservation technology, market value of the product can be controlled. Importance and scope of horticulture. Horticultural crops are important due to high nutritional status. Particularly, fruits and vegetables provide high amount of vitamins and minerals to us. Horticulture is important for recreation activities and aesthetic gratification through parks, garden, etc. Horticulture crops are suitable for small and marginal farmers because as compared to field crops, horticultural crops gives more returns per unit area, that is more yield in terms of weight and money. Due to production, processing and marketing of varieties of horticultural crops, it is developed as a full-fledged industry and play important role in economy of the nation. Horticultural plants improve by reducing pollution, conserve soil and water, and improve socio-economic status of the society. Horticulture is the gateway of carries opportunities in the production of horticultural crops, buying and selling of horticultural crops, processing of horticultural products, marketing of horticultural products, landscaping of public and private areas. This is all about horticulture.